So guys, I'm going to teach you how to log into SAP Business One client. So first, you have to open the SAP Business One client. You have to click the change company, and in the user ID, you have to type manager, and for the password is 1234. After that, you have to find the company name, AOC Computers UK, and the database name SBO Demo GB 1. So this one. Then you have to press OK. After that, so guys, this is the after you plug into the business client. So this is what you can see. So these are the menu and toolbars. So this is our preview, print, email, SMS, fax, Excel, Word, PDF, Flash application, and black screen. So these are the modules. The first, administration, where it contains the basic system settings for currency exchange rate, system setup and authorization, as well as setting for online alerts and data import and export functions. And for the financial, manage all your accounting data in charge of accounts, general ledger, current accounting posting, and reporting. And for the sales opportunities, it helps the sales employees to manage their sales opportunities. It enables you to analyze your sales information. It also includes opportunity forecast reports, one of purchase, an opportunities pipeline, and a dynamic display of sales stages. For sales AR, it handles all the aspects of sales process from entering sales quotations, sales orders, and deliveries to issuing customer invoices and returns. For purchasing AP, it manages all your vendor transaction. You can map the entire business process. The buying process, purchase orders to vendor invoicing, companies that import goods that can use landed costs functionally to calculate the purchase prices of the imported items, including customs, transport, and insurance fees, taxes, and other landed costs. For business partners, it can store the master data for all your business partners, including your relevant information and customer, dealers, vendors, and leads. In banking, it handles the full range of monetary transactions. You can use the payment engine to process automatic payments. For inventory, it manages your inventory, including your warehouse stocks, price list, special pricing agreements, alternative items, and warehouse transactions, as well as the pricing and packaging process and batches and serial number management. And for the production, it enables you to handle bills of materials and production orders. MRP. It effectively manages your material requirements in the manufacturing process. A planning wizard helps you to define planning scenarios that consider existing stock, sales orders, purchasing orders, and production orders and forecasts to create material ordering recommendations that enable you to fulfill your commitment to your customer. The service manages interaction between service representative and customers. It enables you to enter and maintain information about service contracts, items and serial numbers, customer complaints and inquiries, as well as perform numerous related functions. For human resource, it maintains information on the company and enables you to perform numerous related functions. It provides staff management capabilities, including employee details, contact information, and absent reports. And for the reports, lastly, it enables you to compile reports with corporate data information in exactly the way you want to see it. This includes company internal evaluation, inventory reports, financial reports, and accounting data. So, after that, I'm going to teach you how to customize the shortcuts. First, you have to find the tools here, click it, and after that, you have to find the my shortcuts, and then you have to click the customize and click it, and choose the following allocation tab, then click allocate. So we're gonna click purchasing AP, so we have to allocate it. After that, so you have to change the shortcut to what you want. So I'm gonna choose F2. Then as you can see, when I pressed F2, the purchasing order appear, and that's all. You have to click the cancel. So in the display parameters, I'm going to teach you how to customize it. So first, go to the administration system here, and you have to click the system in initialization here, and the general settings. After that, you have to click the display. Here, it's already here, and you can change the language, time, and date format, and you have to click OK. Wait, I'm gonna change. Here you're gonna click update. That's all. And so let's move on the master data. So master data, I'm gonna explain it to you guys. So master data refers to the key information that describes your customer, vendors, and leads, as well as items that your company buys and sells. So this is the types of the master data. First, the business partner master data, item master data, and in the business partner master data, it has a lead, customer, vendor, or supplier. In the item master data, includes inventory item, sales item, purchase item, and fixed asset. Most software systems have lists of data that are shared and used by several of the applications that make up the system. For example, a typical ERP system as a minimum will have a customer master data, an item master data, and account master data. This master data is often one of the key assets of a company. Both financial accounting and purchasing use vendor master data. General data and data relevant to the both departments is stored in shared master records to avoid duplication. So I'm going to show you guys the example of master data. So this is the example of business partner master data. So you have the code, name, foreign name, group, currency, federal tax ID, and etc. Telephone number. That's all. So this is how you search the master data list. First, you have to place an asterisk in the item number, and you have to type the description of the codes field, and after that, search for an item with specific catalog number. So let's move on. So after master data, we have to go to the business partner master data. So business partner master data have three possible transactions, like vendors, customers, and leads. So each customer, vendor, or interested party is entered in the system as master record. Use the business partner master data to record and retrieve business partner, including customers, vendors, and leads, information, and schedule business partner activities. So the business partner information typically includes company details, including address and telephone numbers, business partner contact persons, including telephone numbers and email address, logistic details, tax information, accounting information, details of payment terms. The information you enter in a master record for a customer or a vendor in the system is applied automatically when you process your business transaction. For example, the terms of your payment that you define for a customer, this then form the basis of the orders and invoices for this customer. You can also use the data to analyze your business market relations in detail. So let's move on. So we have to go to the item master data. So SAP Business Wonder provides optimum support for your business processes. In sales, it helps you create orders, deliver notes, and outgoing invoices because prices, sales units, and gross profit calculate automatically. Using the item data in the system, you can optimize stock holding. You have complete control over stock quantities at all times, and you can also analyze the financial aspect of the stock holding at the same time. The system allows you to control production based on the items that are used for your production and based on the finished product and any byproducts created. Use the general area to maintain general item information relevant for all types of item. The item master data consists of the general area and 7 tabs. Each tab enables you to manage sales and purchase items, warehouse items, and planning for MRP and production. So I'm going to teach you how to create an item master data. First, you have to click the inventory, click the item master data, and you have to fill this up all. And after that, you have to find it, and that's all. Thank you so much, guys.